Hello? Hello?
Sir, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Want me to I'll put one message in the group. Good morning, students. Students, in the last class, you are. Let me I'll share my screen. Students, in the last class, as part of Tkinter toolkit, we're discussing about how to create GUI elements, isn't it? So, as part of that, I think we saw some of the elements. Today, I'll continue with that. So, tell me, what are the elements that we had created in the previous class? Students, what are the GUI elements that we created in the last class? We know how to create a window, how to create a frame, label, then checkbox, then what else? That's it, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Today we'll see how to create a text box. See here, we call it as an entry, okay, entry field. See in HTML, we used to call it as text box, and here we call it as entry field. So how to create an entry field? Students, you can see here. So in this program, I am using a different syntax. You can see here. What is this? See usually how we used to write import tkinter. So that's how we write, or else we write from import tkinter. Sorry, import uh, from tkinter import star, isn't it? From tkinter import star we used to write. Now here we are creating an alias for tkinter. So tkinter is a class, okay, which is a main class, which is a library class. For that library class, we are creating an alias by using the as keyword. Okay, like this also can be done. So now tk is nothing but an instance of tkinter. So now here master, see this is a master window. So usually we call it as a window or a master. So two commonly used names are master or window. Okay, this can be any user defined name. So this is used to create a basic window in which we need to create a elements. This is GUI elements. Now we can write master is equal to tk brackets, that is good enough, or we can use tk. So what is this tk? This is the instance of tkinter. This is same as writing tkinter.tk. Then to create a label, just we can start with label of master comma text is equal to first name. That is good enough. Or else you can create like this also. Tkinter object or directly tkinter class dot label of master comma. See, master is nothing but the parent window in which this represents the parent window in which you are going to create the elements. Now exactly where you want to create. So you want to create using a grid. So that is row is equal to 0. In first row, you want to create this first label, first name. Then in the second row, you want to create last name. Okay, one more label with last name. Then E1 is equal to tk dot entry. E2 is equal to tk dot entry of master. This master represents, as I told, the window, the window in which you are going to create elements. Then E1 dot grid of, then this is the placement for text box. See here we are creating the text box entry of master. That means where you are creating the text box that you need to specify. So I am going to create this text box within the window. So this is the master is the name of the window. So under that window, I'm going to create the text box. Then where to place the text box? I want to place this text box under row, that is first row, which is nothing but row 0 and column 1. Similarly, second text element, I want to place it in first row, first column. Then master dot main loop. Students, can you recall what is master dot main loop? What is the main loop method? Anyone, can you tell me what is main loop method? Hello? Guriya Kumari? Hello? Diksha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is main loop? What is main loop method? Why we need that? See, once we create the GUI, it should not close until we press the close button. For the purpose, we write main loop method. Otherwise, it will disappear. It will display and it will disappear. The GUI will display and it will disappear. To avoid that, we use main loop method. That is, this is the master is the name of the window in which we are going to create the elements. So that object dot main loop. You can see here. You can see here. See, first name, that is the label 1, last name, that is the label 2, and this is the, you can see here, you can enter first name, last name, you can enter the text, you can enter the text here. Now how to add functionality to this? We have to define the functions. We have to define function for it, isn't it? Now we'll see one more example. Look at here, same program, just I have modified. Look at here, same program, just I have modified and I have written it in a different way. See where I have not created any alias here. See here, I have not created any alias for tkinter. Then straight away I am creating master, an object of tkinter like this. So earlier how I had created tk.tk. So what is the tk? That was an alias for tkinter. So which that syntax I'm not using it here. So always you go for this kind of syntax. This is straightforward and easy. Look at here, students. And here I am not using any unnecessary object here. That is object name dot label, that I am not using. Straight away I am specifying what is the label. Okay, you can observe the difference between these two. Look at here. Yes, you can look at here. Look at the difference between these two programs. See here, I have created the aliases, whereas here, no, I have not created any alias. And look at here, how to create the object here. Master is equal to tk.tk, and whereas here I have directly created the object. Then here I have avoided unnecessary label. Okay, that is tk.label. So unnecessary object is been avoided here. Okay, students. So these are the minor modifications that you need to know. So what will work in Python and what will not work in Python 3.8. Okay, students. Now we'll look at another example. Students, take the screenshot of this. Everyone, take the screenshot of this. Or Look at here. See, already we know how to create a frame, but today we'll look at some bigger example. Look at here how to create a frame. So this is like first we are importing everything from tkinter. After that, we are creating an object of. So we are creating one base window. So here I am calling it as root. So it can be any name. You can call it as master, root, or window. Okay. So here I am creating the base window in which I am going to create the elements. Then look at here how to create the simple syntax to create a frame. So frame is the user defined. This is the user defined name. Frame is equal to frame. This is the class. So this is the GUI class frame of root. So root means where you are creating the frame. I'm creating a frame in the base window. Name of my base window is root. Then packet. Okay, frame dot pack. So that I am binding frame within the window. I'm binding frame within the window. That's why I'm using frame dot pack method. Then this is, see, this by default will be created on the top. Okay, since I am not specifying exactly where to place that frame, by default it will be created on the top. Now I am creating one more frame. I am giving the name as bottom frame is equal to frame of root. Then bottom frame dot pack of side is equal to bottom. Look at here. See here I am specifying the placement for this frame. So the placement is side is equal to bottom. That means this frame should come in the bottom. Then I am creating. See here. See in the previous example, we had seen one. I think in the previous class, one program to create a frame. Just we demonstrated just to create a frame, and we did not place any elements within the frame. Now here we are creating the frame. At the same time, we are creating some buttons within the frame as well. Okay. So I'm going to create one button with a red color. So hence I have given the name red button. So red button is equal to button of frame. Okay. So within the creating within the frame. So frame means what? The first frame, which is supposed to be placed in the top. So in that I am creating, okay, this red button, text is equal to red, then foreground is equal to red. Okay, foreground, FG means foreground color is equal to red. Then red button dot pack, then placement. So this should come in the leftmost side. Okay, this should come in the left side in the top frame. Next, green button. So button of frame comma text is equal to brown. Then foreground is equal to brown. So green button dot pack of side is equal to left. So this also should come in the left side. Then similarly blue button. So place it in the frame. Text is equal to blue. Foreground is equal to blue. Then side is equal to left. That means it will start filling all the buttons from the left side onwards. That is the alignment is left side. Then black button black button is called button of, look at here, this where we are creating the black button in the bottom frame. That means the bottom frame should contain only one button, that is the black button. All other buttons will be placed in the top. Okay, text is equal to black and foreground is equal to black. Then packet. Okay, then where is the placement? While packing it, we need to specify the placement, that is side is equal to bottom. Okay, side is equal to bottom is the placement. So students, remember one thing, whenever you specify the placement, side is equal to value, so that should be in the capitals. You see here also, side is equal to bottom and left. See the possible values are like left, right, bottom and top, and that should be specified within caps. Then at the end, window dot main loop. So here the name of our window is root dot main loop. Now let us run this program. Students, look at here. See red, brown, blue. So this represents the frame 1. Then frame 2. If you want to see that's in the bottom. You cannot see now. Just I'll minimize. See, you can see black. here is the block, so that is placed in the bottom. So that means here you have two frames. Name of the first frame is frame and the name of the second frame is bottom frame. And look at the alignment. Okay, so here the fillings has started from left side. Okay, students got it how to create the frames? See, the meaning of a frame is that to divide the existing window into different divisions, we create a frame. The whole purpose of creating a frame is to divide the base window. Then after that we can decide what to do, what to be displayed in each frame. Say for example, when you create web pages, we will try to display certain web pages, see one web page in one frame, like that. Okay, so here now we are dealing with normal GUI. So GUI of some application, and within that we are creating the frames, and within the frames we are creating some buttons here. Students, any doubt in this? You can ask me any if you have any doubt. Everyone? Hello, shall I continue, students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So therefore, this program will become demo for, so demo or an example, illustration example for how to create a frame and how to create elements within the frame, and also how to create various buttons. Take the screenshot. Everyone take the screenshot. Or yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll continue with another one. Oh, where is another program that I had done? Okay, students, for you today's task is, so you need to type these two programs. Entry, how to create the text box, that is the entry element. Then how to create a frame and how to place elements within that. Okay, you need to type these two programs and post it in GCR. Okay, do these two programs and post the output in GCR.
Sir.
Now I'll create the assignment. Students, you can start typing. Create. Students, I have created the assignment. So now 1 minute I'll take the attendance. I'll take the attendance now. Students, answer for the attendance. Today's date 5th, right? Answer for the attendance. USN 1,
Present, sir.
2, Abhinav, 3,
Present,
4,
sir.
4, Amrish, 5,
Present, sir.
6, 6, Arbaz,
Sir Amrish.
Amrish Idya,
Ah,
7,
Present, sir.
8, 8, Ashok, 9,
Present, sir.
10, 10, Bhargavi, 11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
19, 20,
Present, sir.
21,
19 present, sir.
19 present, yeah. 21, Harshit, 22,
Present, sir.
23, Kavya, 24. Kishore, 25. Lata, 26.
Present, sir.
27.
Yes, sir.
28.
Present, sir.
29. Nilanjan, 30.
Present, sir.
Now TD series, USN2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5, 5. Pawan, 6,
6 present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11, 12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14, 14. Savita, 16,
Present, sir.
17,
Yes, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23.
Present, sir.
Okay, students, now
Sir,
anybody is
TD5,
missing?
sir. TD5 present. TD5.
TD5 Pawan. Yes, anybody? Students, now you know creation of most of the elements. So I think you can start developing some simple form elements, simple forms. Say for example, how to create a form, creating a form to to fill student information, creating a form to register for some application, that is a registration form or something like that. You can keep trying. See now, I think you need to know how to create drop down button. It's okay, that I'll tell you in the next class. Then what else? Then how to create a text area, isn't it? Apart from that, we have covered all other things. So checkbox is over. So radio button is pending. So the syntax for radio button and checkbox is almost same. So that I'll teach you in the next class. I'll teach you radio button, drop down box, and text area. So if we cover these three, so then nothing is left out. So with respect to GUI creation, all other things are over. Okay. So now you can start thinking about creating various forms for application. And I have demonstrated already how to create a function. Sorry, how to create a function for each of the element. Okay, that also been shown. So now you think about creating some forms. Try yourself. You have Saturday and Sunday, so try creating some forms. Let me know. Okay, now students, you can start typing the program. Start typing the program. Then you can post it in GCR. Students, hope you are typing the program. Now let me know if you have any issues. Let me know. So once you finish that, post the output in GCR.